anoint. Yeah, this is how it looks. Good morning, everybody. I am really enjoying my breakfast number one right now because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have another breakfast too that my mother is gonna cook for the entire family in an hour or so, maybe in like 2 hours. I'll have that. And right now, I'm just having my very simple chola chaat with some cucumber and my hot coffee. Also also I don't know if you guys have noticed so far or not, but on my weekends I try to have my coffee along with some solid food. Like I have some tiny little breakfast and then I have my coffee alongside, because this is what I have learned so many times on the internet, that people keep telling you, do not you shouldn't have like coffee directly on your empty stomach. I do not have it in my very morning anyway. On the empty stomach, I make sure that I'm having a lot of water and some nuts and seeds also to line it up first, and then I go for the coffee thingy. But on my weekends I try my best to have something to eat solid as well alongside, and then have my coffee. I also was supposed to make some matcha latte today with some almond milk. I did show you those water soaked almonds in the morning. Like I made sure in the night, like last night, ki 15-20 almonds भिगोने का कि सुबह I wanted to make some matcha latte. But then I remembered, if I'm making matcha latte, I would have to add some ice to it, because if you're not adding ice to your cold matcha latte, then it's no matlab. It's not gonna be good, right? So yeah, that was that. But then I remembered मेरे को cold है, and I cannot have ice right now. So to avoid that, I just had some almonds ऐसे ही, and मम्मा पापा को दे दिए बाकी almonds. And अभी I'm having my coffee and my chola chaat, which I'm really thoroughly enjoying.
Apathy is a blight the monarchy simply cannot endure.
Of course, Your Majesty, but remember, a young lady cannot be a diamond until you anoint.
I just can't. No.
packages to open in front of you guys. I have gotten 4 packets over here from Myntra, and I'm gonna give you people a haul. Let me tell you, I am very soon gonna go on some trip which is right now a little bit questionable. I cannot tell you why because it's a really long story, but I am hopefully going on a trip very soon, and I'll talk about the location and everything in my future vlog. But for now I have gotten 4 things over here, like 4 packets over here, and I think 5 to 6 things inside these packets from Myntra. And almost all the things are regarding that upcoming trip. And yeah, here's my very first jacket. I actually wanted to buy myself one jacket, but I think I've placed an order for 2 of those, and whichever one is gonna look better on me, I'm just gonna keep that one and gonna return the other one. So it's basically for the airport thingy because I don't think I have any nice light jacket with me to throw on my airport fit, because inside the flight we all tend to feel cold, isn't that right? So I just wanted to get myself a little big, not like tiny, but like a, you know, oversized jacket or something. So this is the first one we have gotten over here from Sassafras. Yeah, it's Sassafras from Myntra, and I do not remember the prices of each, but I'll put that on the screen somewhere. So this is how the first one looks. It's denim, and the quality and everything looks fine so far. I'll give you people the try on also after, you know, showing you everything. So this is the first thing we have in our first packet. The second packet's unpacking goes like this, and I think I'll show you this the third. First we should open this one because I want to get done with the jacket thingy first. Like I've gotten 2 of those, I know, so let me show you this another one as well. This is quite colorful, and yeah, this one, like in very, you know, purplish and bluish or greenish plaid pattern. This is from the Soul Store, and I really wanted something in this flannel pattern because I don't think I own anything in like flannel and plaid pattern, and the quality also seems quite cozy and nice, so I'm really excited to try this one on. The third packet that we opened, the second, has some joggers here. So these are again from the Soul Store, and yeah, I wanted one joggers, just that, you know, some nice ones, and I already own too many joggers in black. Okay, like black is such a basic color to own your joggers in. I already have like 3 to 4 joggers in black, so this time I wanted something in beige or brown, and that's why I went for this beige color. It has this tiny elastic detailing in the bottom, and the string quality also looks fine, and everything is quite basic. The pocket and everything on the side. And then in the very last, this tiny little H&M package. I don't remember. Oh, I remembered. I've gotten a set of rings for myself. They were like a set of a few gold rings, like, you know, for jewelry basically, and I wanted to get myself some real gold jewelry, some not jewelry, like just rings as well. But then my father was just delaying the idea of getting me to a jewelry store and get the real rings. They look pretty. I think it's a set of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, it's a set of 6 rings, and it came for 599 rupees, and there was no discount on these, like both of these sets. I remember I have paid this original price. This is the second set, and this one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 rings to it. These are, however, pretty thin, like ये बहुत ज़्यादा पतले हैं, just basically to stack them on and wear it like that. My hands are looking so bad and I have no clue if they're gonna fit me. They're pretty loose. They look pretty. I don't know, like I've worn all of those into just one hand and I am finding this situation cute. I don't know. Yeah, this is how it looks and do let me know how do you find it. I think I'm definitely gonna keep it because I don't know, I just find it cute. Let me try the other one also in my other hand. So loose guys, I don't know if you can see but ये निकल जाएगा. Okay, they're pretty fine and pretty intact and secured right now. Like I'm not sure but I'm cool. I think I'm cool with all these rings and I'm keeping all these rings. I do not care about your opinions. I'm sorry. This is how my right hand looks like and this is how my left hand looks like, and I'm gonna keep both of these sets because I am liking it. Okay, yeah. Ta-da! Guys, this is how my joggers look like and I think I quite like them and I'm definitely gonna keep them. They are really a nice fit and I had to put this top on also just to show you guys the entire fit, how it's gonna look like. This is going to be my airport fit along with the shacket, so let me show you the shackets now. Me try the second one on, and yes, I have turned on my fan because it's so hot. I cannot survive in this chota wala room without my fan because we don't have AC in like both our rooms. No, we are not that rich. I honestly think that this entire look will look really pretty if I, you know, switch this black top up with something white, like a white tank top or a white spaghetti top or something. Like I'm gonna wear something white inside and then this flannel jacket and then these same joggers, and I think I'm looking cool. I don't know. मला माफ करा, but I'm keeping both of these jackets. Yeah, I have decided that I'm keeping both of these jackets because I'm liking both the jackets equally much. And yeah, I had decided that I'm not wasting my money this time. I already hoard a lot of clothes and I already own a lot of clothes and I had this habit of hoarding a lot of clothes, but I do not have that habit anymore. This time also while buying the jackets I had decided कि मैं एक रखने का है and दूसरा वाला I'll just return, trying both the ones on and अभी मेरे को दोनों अच्छा लग रहा है, so I'm really confused. And after like so much, like after 10 minutes of contemplation already, I am deciding that I am gonna keep both, but at the same time I'm gonna make the most of both these jackets. Like during the upcoming winters I'll wear these two even my office. Okay, I can create so many office looks and office fits with these two jackets, so yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and this way I think I'm justifying my purchases over here. So yeah, final update for you guys. I love this Pilgrim's lip oil by the way, and I love the pepperminty feeling it gives.